Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide trend line of chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with line chart. Now I show or hide trend line of this chart. At first, you have to select this chart. Then go to chart design option, then click chart at chart element. Now you can see here a trend line option. Now choose linear exponential and linear forecast and moving average. Now I choose moving average. Now press OK. Now you can see I show trend line of this chart. Now I hide this trend line of charts. Again go to chart design option, then you can see here a chart option. Now click trend line. Now click none. Now you can see I show or hide trend line of chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.